Hi guys, it's Anuj here and I welcome you to my channel Experience with Anuj. I hope you all are doing well today and making the most of your time, which is very crucial in order to be fluent in your language or in order to achieve the goal of your life. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about a conversation between two friends. The name is Ankita and Shivangi. They are friends. They talk about going for shopping. Well, what's the advantage when you listen to the conversation? When you listen to the conversation, you find new vocabularies, new phrases, or new idioms, or new sentences, so that these can improve your level of speaking. So it's very important to participate, to involve yourself in a conversation, or if you don't find a friend or a colleague to talk with, you can also listen to the conversation which I bring for you. So it's very important to involve yourself in a conversation, okay? And that's why I bring a conversation in my video, so that you can listen to them carefully and you can improve your language as well. Well, in this video, as I already told, I'm going to talk about the conversation between two friends. They are going for shopping. So what they talk before going for shopping and what they talk with each other after they meet each other in the mall, I'm going to talk about it. After the conversation, we will talk about some phrases, some important sentence. I'll explain some vocabulary for you. So listen to the conversation till the very end, and after that do listen to the explanation which I'll do for you. Shivangi: hey Ankita, what are you doing? Ankita: nothing much, I'm just relaxing. Why? What's going on? Shivangi: I was thinking about heading to the mall. Do you want to go? What do you think? Ankita: are they having a sale? Shivangi: yes, all malls are having their sales at this time. It's a great time to buy the clothes you have been holding out on. Ankita: that sounds great. Where should we meet? Shivangi: I'll meet you in the JP Square in 30 minutes. Ankita: sounds great. See you there. Now we'll see what they talk to each other when they meet in JP Square. So let's talk about the conversation after their meeting. Well, Shivangi and Ankita are in a mall, and now they start talking to each other. So pay attention what they talk to each other. Shivangi: what do you think about these shoes? Ankita: they are cute, but do you think you'll really wear them? Shivangi: no, not really. Ankita: this sweater is so pretty. I love the neck design. Shivangi: I bet it's expensive. Ankita: it's on sale for 800 rupees. What do you think? Should I try them all? Shivangi: for 800 rupees, it looks great. Go, try it on. Now Ankita tried, and she's asking to Shivangi, how does it look? Shivangi: great. It looks made for you only. Do you want anything more? Ankita: nothing. Should we leave now? Shivangi: yes, it's getting late. Now it's time to look for some important sentences and phrases which I took out of the conversation for you. So here we go. Friends, I've took 4 points out of the conversations to be explained. The first one is what's going on. The second one is try it on or try on. Third one is sounds great or sounds good. And the fourth one is hold out on. Okay, now we'll explain the first one. The first one is what's going on. Well, it's idiomatic, which means an informal greeting. It's an informal greeting, idiomatic expression of concern, asking for an explanation. For example, there are some synonyms which are used in this sense. What's happening? What's up? What's new? So when you ask someone what's going on, well, actually you want to ask that what's happening and what's up, how has he or she been doing so far. So actually you want to know the present condition about him or her, and that's why we just ask in an informal way what's going on. Okay, so this is the meaning of what's going on. अगर हिंदी में कहें तो चिंता की अभिव्यक्ति इसको कहेंगे, यानी आप जब किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में चिंतित होते हैं, उनके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं कि उनकी वर्तमान स्थिति क्या है, तो आप पूछते हैं what's going on. So this is the meaning of what's going on. Well, next is try it on. Actually, try on, it's a phrasal verb which means put on an item of clothing to see if it fits or suits one. One means here a person. For example, I tried on a couple of dresses but they were too expensive. अगर हिंदी में कहें तो try on का अर्थ होता है पहन कर देखो या आजमा कर देखो. So now you understood that generally we use when you want to try a cloth, when you want to put on a cloth on you for the first time. That's why we use try on in this case. Okay, the next one is sounds great or sounds good. It is used for telling someone that their idea or suggestion seems like a good one. Okay, for example, how about dinner and a film tonight? Sounds great. The similar meaning with sounds good. When you say sounds good, it has a similar meaning as sounds great. Okay, once again I'm saying that it's used for telling someone that their idea or suggestion seems like a good one. It means he's giving you a good idea to follow or that you would like to follow. Okay, and in this sense we say sounds great or sounds good. Okay, the last one is hold out on. Phrasal verb of hold. Informal meaning, refuse to give something, typically information, to someone. For example, you have been holding out on me. What does it mean? Well, when you say, it means the person has been refusing to give something, typically a piece of information, to someone. So this is the meaning of the phrasal verb hold out on. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest updates of my upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video in no time. Bye.